that bitch. Yeah. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Forever be that bitch. Yeah.
What's up, Uni Gang? It's Kiara Unique and I am back with another video. And today's video, obviously, as you can tell by the title, is about color oops. So I am currently in the process of getting my hair dyed and re-bleached. So I'm trying to go about it the most healthiest route possible, honestly, because I love my natural hair and I do not want it to be any type of damaged. So before we get into this video, I need you guys to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And be sure to turn on your post notifications for my channel so that you won't miss any upcoming videos, because I have a lot of content coming to you guys. So please make sure you hit that post notification bell. So if you're wondering how it went from this to this, then you're gonna want to keep watching and make sure you subscribe, because then I have plenty more videos like this for you coming soon. But anyways, let me tell you guys some of my thoughts on this whole process with the color oops real quick before we get into this video. It absolutely smells like shit. Like, it absolutely stinks. It was unbearable. It was to the point I almost threw up. I had to get a candle. I had to open the blinds. The blinds, the window, and I had to put on the fan. It was so stinky. 2 days later, it still was extremely stinky. I'm gonna keep it honest with you guys. After I use my rice water mask, which I'll have that video coming out very soon, and after I deep condition my hair and everything like that, I just left the regular conditioner in my hair for 2 days straight, because that's how bad it smelled and that's how bad my hair smelled. But it did not damage my hair and it did not over process my hair, which is why I'm coming to you guys with my natural hair, just so you can see without any products in it. This is just oil in it and that's it. But you can see it did what it was supposed to do. Now, I was a little skeptical when I was making this video with color oops, just because, oh, and this video is not sponsored, by the way, but I was just skeptical because I was like, okay, like, why is this not taking the color on my hair? But I also had to remember that my hair was already very faded, so it was just getting the orangey last little bit of the color out of my hair. So now it's literally just blonde left over in my hair, which is great for this next process, because I'm not doing a permanent dye, I'm doing a rinse, because I like to change up my hair color. So I'm doing that and getting my roots bleached. And my cousin Jonte, shout out to you, she is doing that, and I am going to vlog the entire process. So again, make sure you subscribe, put that post notification bell on so you won't miss it. Now let's get into the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
This
I mean, do y'all see how much lighter my hair is now? It's safe to say that color oops, they got a thumbs up from me. So my hair is now ready for bleached roots. And to get that color in it, period, my cousin is gonna do that for me, and I'm so excited about that. So this is just part 1 to my whole hair dyeing process to my new color. I don't want to expose what color I'm getting yet, but stay tuned. I need you guys to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And be sure to click on that post notification bell so that you can be notified every time I post and whenever I post. So you'll be first to know.
We'll forever be that bitch. Forever be that bitch. Yeah.